With us today, we have Professor Laveena Vaz, Program Head at MIT Institute of International Studies, to take us through undergraduate international programs at MIT. Ma'am, can you give us brief overview of MIT Institute of International Studies?
Yes, MIT Institute of International Studies is one of the renowned and prestigious institute for academics in Mumbai. A recognized teaching center assures that the students get globally recognized degree, and also it assures that students get resources from the University of London.
Ma'am, can you tell us about the programs offered and its specializations?
Yeah. We offer BBA from Royal Holloway and BAc in Computer Science from Goldsmiths. Now, the specialization in BBA is that is one is HR, that is Human Resource Management, BAc in Marketing, BAc in International Business, okay, or you can have a general pathway. So, these are the four pathways which we have in BBA. Now, for BAc in Computer Science, we have specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then we have data science. Third, we have Internet of Things. And then we have mobile and web development. So these are the four specialization for BAc in computer science.
How can students choose the right program and specialization to align with their future career goals?
Yeah. So first, the students have to do self-assessment. Self-assessment means they have to understand what is their strength and weakness, what are their long-term goals, short-term goals, like where they want to be, what is their career, or I can say the dream job. So when they understand this, they will be able to choose a specialization. Also, what is their passion, what they like doing. For example, if I take BBA course from Royal Holloway undergrad program, here the first year the students will be having all general subjects or modules. So they will be learning about marketing, they will be learning about human resource management, they will be learning about international business. Specialization will start from second year. So here the students in the first year will understand where their strength lies in. Okay, and we have our career counselors who will guide the students in understanding what is their strength, what is their weakness. So this way the students can choose specialization and explore their career goals.
What are the advantages of pursuing University of London degree at MIT?
Yes, first of all, it is a globally recognized degree. Okay, the student will get the University of London degree in India. Okay, and second thing is like it is globally recognized for his masters or anything. Third is like I can say progression option. The students can do 2 years here and 1 year in UK campus, or they can do 3 years here and then progress for masters anywhere in this world as the degree is globally recognized. And the most important thing is affordability. As you know, if you want to do this degree in UK, you will have to shell out 80 lakhs to 1 crore, which is very, very expensive. Whereas the same course, same degree, you will be doing it in your home, that is in India, and you will be spending 25 to 30 lakhs for the entire program. And also one more thing is that convenience. The student does not need to leave the country, leave home and go to UK or any other part of the world. They can stay at home and do this degree. Okay, they will be protected from all the cultural shock adjustments which they have to do if they pursue in any other country.
What is the learning approach at MIT and how students are supported beyond academics?
Yeah, this is really a very good question. In MET IIS, we see that the students are, groomed totally. For example, here we have live case study where students have to go and do research. We also have critical thinking. Here the students need to think out of the box. Okay, they have to challenge the questions. And not only this, we have workshop where we try to develop the skills of the students. Like for example, we had graphic designing workshop, we had advanced Excel workshop. Like this, we have many workshops. We have guest lectures, we have seminars, we have industrial visit. So we had industrial visit to Parley company where the students could see what are the manufacturing operations, assembling process. They can also, we also visited Bombay Stock Exchange where they learned how the stock exchange work. And we also visited the customs, Mumbai custom. port, where they learn how the custom authorities do their work. So these are some ways where we try to groom our students so that they are ready to face the outside world. And also we have a PowerPoint presentation, and seeing that the students is confident enough to face the audience and present their ideas. So these are some ways we are trying to add value to our students' life.
What kind of campus infrastructure and resources available for students at METIS?
As far as infrastructure is concerned, we have AC classrooms with developed advanced technology. Then we have computer lab with advanced software, Wi-Fi connections. We have 2 libraries. Then we have recreational facilities like indoor games is there, music room is there where students can go and relax. We have canteen facilities, we have seminar halls, conference hall. So these are different facilities which we have for the students. Second, I can say resources. Resources in library, we have the physical books, and also we have digital library. Not only this, from University of London, the student have access to virtual learning environment, that is online resources from the University of London.
Ma'am, tell us about the faculty at METIS. What kind of experience do they bring to the classroom?
Yes, like at MET IIS, we have professional and industrial experience faculty. They bring experience of more than 20 years. University of London also train our faculties, and we also have faculty development program twice a year so that we can update our faculties and keep them in par with the changing technology.
Do students have opportunities to study abroad as a part of their program?
Yes, they have. In MET IIS, the students can do 2+1 pathway, that is 2 years they can do in MET IIS and 1 year in University of London campus, or they can do 1 year in MET IIS and 2 years in University of London campus, or they can do all 3 years in MET IIS. That is up to students what they want to choose. But there is a condition, they should clear all the subjects and get average of 60% in their first year or second year for the transfer respectively.
What are the entry requirements for University of London programs at METIS?
For University of London program in MET IIS, for Cambridge board, the student should get at least one subject clear in A levels and 4 subjects in IGCSE level. The grade should be between A to C. And for state board, it is 70% and above. And for we also take IBDP 24 points and above, and we also accept IBCP. For more details about the eligibility, you can visit our website, because we also have cert route where we take students below the eligibility criteria.
How does METIS guide and support students from the time they apply here till they graduate?
Yeah, in MET IIS, we have pre-admission counseling where the counselor will help the students to understand their strength and weakness, which specialization they should do. We also have career counseling, that is like which career the student should take, how they should progress ahead. We also have university placements, that is undergrad and also masters. So we have counselors who will help the students to do this university placements abroad. And we also have alumni network support. See all these things, and also internship during their summer vacation. If the students intend to do internship, we also help the students to get this internship, and this all helps the student to add value to their career and achieve the goal which they are striving for.
What is the admission process at MET Institute of International Studies?
The admission process, you have to visit our website, MET website. There you need to apply online by paying 3,500, fill the application form and upload all your documents. After that, the students will be shortlisted. Once the student is shortlisted, they will receive a interview call. After the interview, the students will receive the offer letter. So apply today and start your international education journey with MET IIS.